Hello, this is Rudy from Playerz Lowriders and Rudy's Bicycle Shop. I'm here to give you a demonstration on this 49 Chevy. It's custom built with the candy apple red paint from the House of Colors. It's got black alligator interior, custom rims, and the remote was wired into a custom PlayStation. Fully functional hydraulics, left and right steering, full reverse here, all the switches here. I've got an ignition key here with a key start. I'm fixing to start up, you'll hear it start up. I go forward, reverse, left, right, up in the back, up in the front, down in the front, down in the back, up, side motion. This is a 1/6 scale RT car. I'm fixing to go forward and reverse, and I'll be able to steer it.